Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to stop sharing call history between iPhones. Let's go. When you have multiple devices linked to the same Apple ID, they can automatically sync call logs. This means that the calls made and received on one iPhone will also show up on another iPhone using the same Apple ID. First of all, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap on your name at the very top. After that, tap iCloud. Then tap Show All. Now you'll see all the apps that use iCloud. To stop sharing call history between two iPhones, simply toggle off the switch next to the Contacts option. Then tap Keep on my iPhone. Once you've done that, tap on the iCloud Drive option. Then toggle off the switch next to the Sync this iPhone option. After that, go back to the main settings page. And scroll down. Then tap General. Then tap AirPlay and Handoff. Now toggle off the switch next to the handoff option. All you have to do next is restart your iPhone and you should be good to go. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.